Are you tired of digging through endless data to get what you want? In this video, I will show you how to instantly organize and find anything in Excel using sorting, filtering, and the magical freeze pane. Hello everyone and welcome back to Graphic Solution channel. Let's learn how to sort data alphabetically and numerically to make it easier to analyze. To sort our product sales data alphabetically, let's click on any cell in the product column. Go to Data in the Tab menu and then navigate to Sort. To sort our data from the smallest to the largest, let's click on A to Z. And now you have beans as the first product. Alternatively, you can reverse this order by clicking on Z to A for a reverse order. So let's click on Z to A. Now we have tomatoes as the first product in the product column. Let's click on any cell in the sales column to apply the same type of sorting to it. We are going to sort our data to look for the product with the smallest sales. So let's sort from A to Z. And when we do that, we have soya being the smallest, followed by melon with the same value of 30, and then gari being the next product with the lowest sale. We can also look for the product with the highest sale by reversing our sort order. And when we click Z to A, we will get pepper, which had a sale of 800 as our first product in the list. Now you see that sorting turns a messy list into an organized insight. Let's learn how to filter data to find exactly what we need. To apply filtering to our table, let's click on any cell in the table and then go to Data and click on the filter icon to apply filters to the column head. We can click on the drop down arrow to carry out the type of filtering that we want. Assuming we want to filter our data to look for product that has the letter C in it. To do this, click on the drop down arrow and then go to Text Filters. Navigate to Begin With and then click on it. Then type in what you are looking for. We are looking for product that contains only the letter C in it. Then press OK. That is the magic of filtering in Excel. Only products that contains the letter C is visible and the rest are hidden. Let's click on the drop down menu again and clear the filtering. Now let's filter our data to look for sales that is greater than 100. So in the sales column, let's click on the drop down arrow and then number filters. Then we will go down to greater than. So let's click on greater than, and then we are looking for product that had the sales greater than 100 and then type in 100 and click OK. We can now see that our filtering is showing all the products that had sales greater than 100. Now let's look for the product that had sales less than 100. So let's go to number filtering and then look for less than, then type in 100 and click OK. The result now is showing all the products that had sales less than 100, and previously we saw all the products that had sales greater than 100. So let's clear the filtering by clicking on the drop down arrow and then clear filter from sales. This returns us back to our table. Click on the filter icon to clear the filter. Now you know how to use filtering to throw the spotlight on the exact data type that you need. Finally, let's learn how to keep the headers visible at all times while we scroll through a long list of spreadsheets. To achieve this, we have to learn how to use the freeze pane to freeze the top row. Let's first of all scroll through our document. You see that as we scroll along, the headers are hidden. To keep the headers visible at all times as we scroll, let's go to View and then to Freeze Pane and click on Freeze Pane to freeze the top row. Now we can scroll through our document and the headers will stay visible. Now let's scroll through our data and this time around you see that the headers remains visible at all time as we scroll along. Now you can sort, filter and freeze like a pro. Remember that you can sort data alphabetically or numerically. You can also filter to find exactly what you need, and then you can also use the freeze pane to keep the headers visible at all times. Which trick helped you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more Excel magic. Next time we are going to learn how to create charts in Excel. Thank you and bye for now.